Hello students, let me show you how to find your rubrics in the assignments page and the discussion page. So first we have our assignments, example email assignment, text assignment, and we will open up this text assignment and we have our assignment here. So here's the questions 1, 2, and 3, and we have our points here. So if you want to find out how to get your points or the description of your points, you go to the rubric at the bottom here. This is called our rubric. So the name of the rubric, 1.4b, text assignment, questions about the course overview and syllabus. Here are the criteria. We have 3 criteria, 1, 2, and 3. The description of your points, 2 points, full marks. Answered question 1 completely. And we have 1 point, partial marks. Answered question 1 partially. Only the first or last name. And then 0 points, no marks for no submission. The total points here are 2 points. Next criteria, we have the description here, 2 points, 1 point, or 0 points. And the third criteria, 2 points, 1 point, or 0 points. The total points are 6. So this is a description of how you get your points. Now this is for assignments, so for discussions, we look at it another way. So example, we're in our discussion, 1.3b discussion introduction. So I go to the top of the page, I click on these 3 dots here, and I click on show rubric. So for our discussions, this is our rubric. We have the criteria, initial comments, 5 points, full marks, 3 points, half marks, and 0 points for no marks. And the description is here, how we get these points. Next, reply message with quality and quantity, 5 points for full marks, 3 points half marks, and 0 points for no marks. And the description is here. And finally, etiquette and contribution, 5 points, 3 points, and 0 points. Total of 15 points for discussions. If you want to get rid of this, you click on this X. So again, for discussions, you click on this in the corner, the 3 dots, and click on show rubric. And the descriptions are here to read for each point you get. So that is how to find your rubric in discussion and assignment pages. I hope this helps you.